All right. Thank you. Thank you. Good deal. All right. Let's kind of work into now going into that grasping the bird's tail. That's our big move of this posture. Okay. So as you kind of work into that one, you're coming right out of that reset, right after that repulse monkey, that last one. As you come out of that reset, you start that one from here, just holding that energy ball. You're going to come straight down with that left hand. You're going to turn, you're going to ward off. So you ward off with that left hand, that right hand is just going to follow that on around. You're going to turn over, pull that back, shifting that weight to that back foot. Bring those hands up to about shoulder level, and you're going to push that straight across. As those hands go forward, they're going to separate. And then you're going to pull back top of the chest, push, pull, and then redirect. And then we're going to transition. And as you reset that back, now that right hand's going to come under so we can ward off. Follow that around, turn it over, grabbing that egg out of the nest. Just about shoulder level. Separate those hands, pull back, chest level, ease it down, pull, redirect. Then we're going to bring that to center. Get ready for our embrace tiger. Let's go from there. And that grasping the bird's tail, it looks complicated, but it's not. So let's not overcomplicate it too much. That ward off is not going way around. So as you come into that, we're going to hold our energy ball. Remember, we're starting here at that reset, and we're going to hold that energy ball. Just right here at the center, the left hand's on the bottom, right hand's on the top. And we're just going to turn. And as we turn, we're just going to have a little twist of that left foot, okay? A little step, twist, and we're going to ward off. Remember that weight's going to go with it. This little trail hand's going to come, reaching up into that bird's nest or ward off. And we're going to turn. And we're going to pull back to that hip. And then we're going to push, create an X with those hands, and we're going to push straight forward, right level. Then those hands are going to separate naturally. Bring it back to that chest. Push, pull, redirect. And from here, we're just going to transition, which is basically just going to make a wave. And as we make that wave, it's going to bring that around. That top hand is the one that's going to ward off. So it needs to make it to the bottom. Now all the weight's on that back leg, and we're going to ward off. I got that trailer hand. It's just going to trail on around until it's time to turn over. And we push. Those hands are naturally going to separate because there's only so far you can reach with those hands together, okay? Bring that back, top of the chest. Those hands are coming up. Remember, like we're handing somebody 2 cups of water. So you bring that back. Foot right there, we're rocking that weight back. So then we're dip forward. Now let's kind of ease that back. Roll through it one more time. Coming straight up. slowing it down. Then ward off, follow the leader, turn it over, push, rock it back. Now we're cooking. Push, pull, redirect, and transition. Bring that around, ward off, bring it back, push, pull, redirect. And then we're going to transition that right back to center to get ready for that embrace tiger. Good job.